Oh my god, something just happened and I feel so disturbed. I had a very bad meeting, I had a fight with my friend, and there's something that's really disturbing me. And what do I do? Now, let's say that you end up in such situations where you're mentally or emotionally disturbed. Here is the technique that you can use. It's called as an emergency cleaning. Now, as the term implies, emergency, when the need arrives, when you feel that it is required for you to sit and do this cleaning. All right, how do we do this? So, here is the way how we do it. Whenever something disturbs you, you just take some moments of time, say for 10 minutes, and keep your back straight. And depends on the place where you are. If there are people around, you may choose to keep your eyes open, or else if you have personal space, you can just go sit there, close your eyes, and then give this very gentle suggestion that whatever has affected me right now is leaving me, my system, from back in the form of smoke. And continue to sit with this suggestion for 10 minutes. And once you feel confident that the impression has left, make a firm resolution that it has really gone. All right? Perhaps it is not possible to keep your eyes closed when there are people around. So make sure that you keep your eyes open, and you can do it wherever you are seated. And that ways you feel lighter. And then you make sure that you don't carry this disturbance to the next activity. So in a way, you're able to handle the situation earlier, clean it off, and then enter into a new activity with a fresh mind, with a very calm heart. Please follow this technique and please share your experience about this. Thank you. Please do follow. Don't forget to follow.